Hey, it's Yoshi Shiraki, and I wanted to share with you the back exterior of this beautiful home. We added a deck to give the homeowner much better views of the downtown Salt Lake Valley as well as all of Salt Lake County. You can see where the sliding glass door is. That was the original exterior door, the original exterior wall that went all the way across the home. Then we added 500 extra square feet, which is primarily the master suite, the master bath, as well as the master closet.